Experiment number 8 to verify the laws of refraction of light. So here we are going to take the drawing board on which we are going to keep the drawing paper. Draw the boundary of the glass slab. After drawing the boundary of glass slab, select one point and on that you draw normal. What do you mean by normal? Draw 90 degree. So here I keep my protector and this is what is the 90 degree. Correct? So this is called as normal. So we had drawn the normal. So this is the normal to the surface. After drawing the normal, you are going to take incident ray of which makes the angle of 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. So let me take first case where we are going to have the angle 30 degree. So children, with the normal you are going to make the angle of 30 degree. So you are going to keep a protector in this way so that the normal is coinciding with the 0. So that you will do 0, say coincide, you can see it here. So 10, 20, 30. So this is 30 degree. Mark it. Draw a line. Draw a line. Mark this as 30 degree. Immediately you do that so that you don't have a confusion. And now children, we are going to take this ray as the incident ray. Okay. So after drawing the boundary, draw the normal. After normal, you are going to take the angle of 30 degree with the normal. Now what you are going to do it? You are going to keep 2 pins on this angle of 30 degree. So this is one pin. This is another pin. So 2 pins we are kept. That will act as a incident ray for me, and now we are going to keep a glass slab again. See to it that it perfectly touches to the boundary. And now from the other side, see this is the side where we are going to have the incident ray. So the refraction will take place once here, and then here the emergent ray will come out. So I will bend myself. I will see that all the where 2 pins are there, in line with it, I am going to keep the third line. So I am going to bend and I am going to observe the 2. See, you can see here the 2 points here. Can you see that 2 points from here? मिरर के अंदर यहाँ पे से दिखता है. Okay, so in that I am going to keep a pin so that all the points are in the same line. So let me do it. Okay. So I am going to keep in such a way 3rd pin and the 4th pin such a way that all should look in a same
straight line.
In a straight line means I can see only 1 pin and not 4. So now I had kept 2 pins in such a way that now all the pins are in a same. You can observe it here. Now I had kept it. Okay. So when you see through the glass slab, all will be seen as one. Okay. Once you do it, then you mark those points. Okay, and now you remove it. Remove the pins. Remove the glass slab. You join 2 points, and from your geometry you are knowing that from 2 points only one and only one line passes through. So this is the emergent ray where it is touching. Now here children, emergent ray is touching. I am going to draw the normal. So at this point I am going to draw the normal. So see this children, here this point with this point this gets match. Okay, so this is my normal. So let me draw the normal here. So this angle is called as the angle of emergence. Correct? Now you join. What will be the path of the ray inside the glass slab? It will be this. This is the incident ray, this is the refracted ray in between. So this will be the ray of light, path of the ray of the light. Correct? Now you extend this normal further inside. So this will be your R. This is R1 you can say. Now again here also the refraction will take place. Correct? And that now here it is in the same medium. So this is also R. And this will be E. You are going to measure this R and this E. And make a note of this in your practical journal. So children, we have taken I is equal to 30 degree. And let us measure now the angle of refraction. So for that, in this normal it should coincide with 0. So now it has coincided with 0. So can you see the angle here? How much is that? It is, can you see and tell me? It is now 0 to 10, 10, 15, 16, 17 I think so. So for me now R is 17 degree. Now let us come to the angle of emergence. So angle of emergence you just observe E. Correct? Here you match the 0 with the normal on this side, and from here see exactly matching now the line. Observe it is 10, 20, 30 से मेरा थोड़ा सा कम आया है. It is 29. So for me E is come out to be 29 degree. Children, angle of incidence and the angle of emergence will be almost the same. That is an indication that you have done your experiment correctly. Plus or minus 1 will do. Is it clear?